The main focus of my research right now is climate change engagement through games and game-based experiences, and this is quite multidisciplinary, broad field, and it involves, for example, game studies, gamification, education for sustainable development, but also other areas like science communication or even psychology. What I want to achieve with my research is both to understand and to make games that are successful in engaging people with climate change. And this means basically three things. First is to give them the tools to make sense of climate change, to understand it better in their own terms even. Then to perceive the importance of climate change, why should they care about this? And finally, to empower them to take action. It is true that this is a challenge that permeates almost every area of human activity. Like, we have to change how we produce goods, we have to change distribution, consumption. So in companies, there's a lot of people doing many processes, and I'm sure that most of them could be done in a more environmentally conscious way. So one way that we can use games in this sense is for companies to provide the needed training, because it is very easy to try to impose new modes of doing and new processes and everything, but in the end it's people who need to implement them and make them real. So people will need a lot of training in these areas, and games are a very good way to, teach people in the end. If any company, for example, is interested in implementing game-based training programs or interventions that aim at changing something and make it not just directly climate change related, but more environmentally aware, then definitely they can talk to us. And also, if they have any kind of input, maybe they are already a game company and they have ideas on development, any kind of, those two things would be valuable for us.